Hi, I'm Silas. When I was experimenting with moving points according to some arbitrary rules, I came across particle life, which looked really cool, so I decided to give it a try. Here, there was a weird bug in my code where all of the points would focus around the center of the screen, which resulted into some pretty odd behavior, like this ticking particle thing. But after finally getting it working, I got some pretty cool results. Here I'm rendering about 40,000 particles all through a compute shader at around 40 FPS. The simulation can handle up to around 100,000 particles, but the FPS drops quite a lot whenever the particles get too concentrated. I think this is because I'm using spatial partitioning, and the more particles are in each other's vicinity, the more other particles each particle has to check. I had a lot of fun learning to write in HLSL since it's been on my list for a long time. The GitHub is in the description, so let me know what you think.